Hello guys. If your Polaroid TV remote suddenly stops responding and your TV no longer reacts to button presses, it can become upsetting, especially when everything seemed completely fine before. Sometimes the Polaroid TV remote works occasionally and then suddenly stops, while other times no buttons respond at all and changing channels or volume becomes impossible. A situation like this can happen because of weak batteries, signal blockage, temporary syncing problems, or simple power issues that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Polaroid TV remote problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Polaroid TV remote not working or responding. Try these. Step 1. Check the batteries inside the Polaroid TV remote if buttons suddenly stop responding normally. Step 2. Replace batteries in the Polaroid TV remote if response feels weak or inconsistent. Step 3. Point the Polaroid TV remote directly toward the Polaroid TV and remove anything blocking the signal. Step 4. Restart the Polaroid TV briefly if the Polaroid TV remote still does not respond properly. Step 5. Clean buttons on the Polaroid TV remote carefully if they feel stuck or slow to react. Step 6. Test the Polaroid TV remote again and confirm the Polaroid TV responds normally afterward.